understand it when people go, oh, German tax is so complicated. German tax is so anstrengend. Steuer, this, Büro, Papier. What? Anyways. Hey lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my video, you're very welcome. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that sweet stuff. Today's video, we're going to be diving into the Einkommenssteuer, which is your income tax in Germany. And without too much talking, let's get right into today's video. Your income tax in Germany depends on your situation. Now, there are 6 different classes which are breaking down for different situations you may find yourself during the course of living in Germany or during the course of your life, if that makes sense. Now, starting strong at number 1, class 1 or the Steuerklasse 1 is for single people with no kids, no partner. So you're not married, you're single, you're living alone, you'll have a single household earning. While class 2 is for parents or single parents with kids. Emphasis on single parents with kids, because without kids, then you fall back to just the single category. Serie or the Steuerklasse 3 is for married couple where one partner earns significantly more than the other. The higher earner gets the benefit of lower taxes rates. Now, this is combined mostly with class 5. In class 3, you have a lower percentage of tax deducted from your salary, while in class 5, you have a higher percentage deducted from your salary. So it will make more sense if you have a spouse, which you have to be in the class, right? So you have a spouse, then it will make more sense that, let's say for instance, you're earning 3,000 euros and your spouse is earning 500, that your spouse that is earning 3,000 euros get class 3 because they pay lesser tax, which means they have more from their income, while you that is earning 500 gets tax 5, right? Now, if you're earning 500, you're not paying taxes in Germany, but just to put an example. And we have Steuerklasse 4 as well, which is class 4 for married couples where both partners earn similar incomes. Both partners are taxed individually. So if your partner is earning roughly the same amount as you are, it will make sense to give one like the lesser tax class, which is class 3, and take a higher one, which is class 5. So both of you will fall into class 4. Now, I've already explained tax class 5, which is basically the opposite of class 3. So for married couple with the lower earning within the both couple. Right? Now, class 6 is for people with multiple jobs. This class applies to second job that has the highest tax rate. Now, a quick disclaimer: income tax or Einkommenssteuer in Germany ranges from 0 to 45%. 0% applies when you don't earn more than 12,096 euros per year. So this is as of 2025. Now, if you earn more than that, then the whole percentage starts applying. Each tax class has a particular percentage. So if you know the class that you belong to, then you can research on the percentage that will be deducted from your salary every month based on your class. Now, obviously, we have other deductions from your income like healthcare, retirement fee, and so on and so forth. So all this part also plays into your final income, not just the Einkommenssteuer. But on today's video, I just wanted to explain the 6 classes and the categories of the 6 classes. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, share it with someone that might be interested, that is living in Germany or planning to move to Germany. I mean, this is information you are getting on a platter of gold, right? Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Today's shout out is going to Official Precious 3165. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. Mwah. I don't know why people say the German tax system is complicated. So without so much talking, let's get right into today's video. First of all, let's touch up on the type of Steuer or the type of taxes that you have in Germany. Quick disclaimer, guys, if I say Steuer, it means taxes, right? Good. So let's get into the types of Steuer we have in Germany. Number 1, I guess you click on this video because you thought I can help you. Can I help you? Me, myself, I don't know.